guys, today I'm doing understand fractions as division. There's five dogs playing at the dog park. Tyrone has 4 biscuits to share equally among the dogs. Tyrone wants to know how many dog biscuits each dog will get. First, how many holes are needed for the model? 4.
The model shows 4 holes to represent the 4 dog biscuits. Next, what can each hole be divided into so that each dog gets the same amount?
Fifths.
Now, each hole is divided into 5 equal parts. Each dog will get 1/5 of each dog biscuit. How much of a biscuit does each dog get in all? Find the quotient.
4/5.
Great work! When you divide 4 dog biscuits equally among 5 dogs, each dog gets 4/5 of a biscuit. Four divided by 5 equals 4/5. Leah and Chris have 3 sushi rolls to share equally for lunch. Leah wants to know how many sushi rolls she will get. Which expression represents the problem?
3 divided by 2. Wait. Yeah.
3 sushi rolls are being divided, so 3 is the dividend. The sushi rolls are being divided among 2 people, so 2 is the divisor. Will each person get at least 1 whole sushi roll?
Yes. Fewer people than sushi rolls.
There are fewer people than sushi rolls, so each person will get at least 1 whole sushi roll. Let's model the problem. First, how many holes are needed for the model?
3.
The model shows 3 holes to represent the 3 sushi rolls. Next, what can each hole be divided into so that each person gets the same amount?
Halves.
Now each hole is divided into 2 equal parts. Leah will get 1/2 of each sushi roll. How many sushi rolls does Leah get in all? Find the quotient.
1/2.
Each hole is divided into 2 equal parts, so each part is 1/2. How many halves make up Leah's share? When you divide 3 sushi rolls equally between 2 people, each person gets 3 halves. 3 halves is equal to 1 and 1/2. Leah gets 1 and 1/2 sushi rolls. Let's look at some of the problems you have solved. In each problem, you divided 2 whole numbers and wrote the quotient as a fraction. Let's think about a pattern. How can you write the quotient of 2 whole numbers as a fraction? Complete the sentence.
Write the dividend as the numerator and write the divisor as the denominator.
Let's think about 2 divided by 7. You can write the dividend as the numerator and write the divisor as the denominator. What is 3 divided by 8?
3 divided by 8.
You got it! What is 5 divided by 4? Good job! What is 2 divided by 9?
2 nines.
Nice! What is 4 divided by 2? Choose all the correct answers. Well done! A division problem can be written as a fraction. A fraction can also be written as a division problem. You can think of a fraction as the numerator divided by the denominator. 3/8 is equal to 3 divided by 8. Complete the equation.
5, 9.
That's it! Complete the equation.
6, 6, 4.
Great! Which situations can be represented by 12/3? Choose all the correct answers. You can think of 12/3 as 12 divided by 3. Try again.
Carla has 12 more pounds of gravel that she pours equally into 3. 12 divided by 3. 12 students share 3 ounces of paint equally. Is that and that or something?
These situations can be represented by 12/3. Which situations can be represented by 4/8? Choose all the correct answers.
Zeke has a bag of 4. Zeke has 4 bags of soil that he pours equally into 8 flour pours.
You can think of 4/8 as 4 divided by 8. Try again. Way to go! Let's review what you learned today. You learned how to write a division problem as a fraction. Find the quotient.
6.
You learned how to write a fraction as a division problem. Complete the equation.
There are 5 people in Edgar's family. They have 3 loaves of pumpkin bread to share equally. Edgar wants to know how much pumpkin bread he will get. Which expression represents the problem?
5 divided by 3. There's 3 loaves of bread. It's getting divided by 5. So then 3 divided by 5, I guess?
First, how many holes are needed for the model?
3.
The model shows 3 holes to represent the 3 loaves of pumpkin bread. Next, what can each hole be divided into so that each person gets the same amount?
5.
Now each hole is divided into 5 equal parts. Edgar will get 1/5 of each loaf of pumpkin bread. How much of the pumpkin bread does Edgar get in all? Find the quotient.
Wouldn't it be 1/3? I'm just gonna put 3/5.
What is 4 divided by 9?
This.
Complete the equation.
8 divided by 12. Wait, no. 2 divided by 8.
Here is today's learning target. Use models to multiply a whole number by a unit fraction. Tom buys 3 packs of 4 stickers. Which model shows 3 groups of 4 stickers?
3 groups of 4 stickers.
How many stickers does Tom buy?
12.
Find the product. Tom buys 12 stickers in all. Let's look at another problem. Tom has 12 stickers. He gives half of the stickers to Jung. Which model shows 1/2 of 12 stickers circled?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many stickers does Jung get? Find the product. Great work! Jung gets 6 stickers. To find more than one group, you can multiply. To find a fraction of a group, you can also multiply. Lynn makes 6 friendship bracelets. She gives half of the bracelets to Grace. Which model shows 1/2 of 6 bracelets? How many bracelets does Grace get? Find the product. Good! Grace gets 3 bracelets. Now let's use division to think about how many bracelets Grace gets. Which expression can you use to find? Lynn makes 6 bracelets that she divides equally between 2 people. How many bracelets does Grace get? Find the quotient.
3.
Grace gets 3 bracelets. Look at the 2 equations you just solved. 1/2 times 6 is equivalent to 6 divided by 2. Both ways show that Grace gets 3 bracelets. Olivia runs 1/2 of a 4-mile relay race. First, Build a model to show 1/2 times 4. Divide and shade the model to show 1/2 of 4.